డాక్టర్ ఏయు శంకర్ ప్రసాద్ గారు.
I'm a physician, I'm a physician working at Sunshine Hospital. I'm slightly different in my outlook, maybe. That's why after doing my MD, I did a proper PhD, MPhil and BAMS in Ayurveda. Because my objective always was, can we make treatment of diseases more simpler and more economical? So in COVID, I was not comfortable with the pricing policy in June and July. So my target in those times was try to minimize admissions as much as possible. And I was happy I was able to do it for more than 400 families without compromising on the quality of care. So I just have a couple of things. First thing is, first of all, we are very lucky. We are among the few who are getting some kind of recognition among thousands of people who really had a very bad time and fought a very serious battles. The least recognized people are the paramedical staff and the support staff, without which all of us know we will just not be able to do whatever we have done. The second issue was, I would just like to emphasize the importance of research. I don't think COVID is the only thing that we're going to see in our lives. I was an assistant professor at Gandhi when we went through the H1N1 flu. I thought that was worse, but that was nothing in comparison to what we went through this time. So maybe we need to seriously look into what is making all these things happen, take research more seriously in preventing pandemics, maybe vis-a-vis what we do with the environment, and how as a country we are going to face things. We were very lucky this time, all of us agree on this point, that we were very lucky when the whole world expected us to do very badly, we did very well. But that should not lead us to complacence. I feel that's wherein the sciences like the complementary systems, which many of us look down upon, may have a huge role to play in help us understanding the diseases and come up with our own medicines.